रोक रहा है हमको जमाना, दूर ही रहना, पास न आना, कैसे भला कोई दिल को समझाए, रूप तेरा मस्ताना, प्यार मेरा दीवाना, भूल कोई हमसे ना हो जाए. I loved it. Love this song from 90s. We were very young at that time. Anyways, my love Aries, let's start your reading from 15 till the 21st of December 2025. It's applicable to any kind of love relationship, and take whichever side resonates with you and leave the other portion. The roles can be reversed also. And what else? If this doesn't resonate, it's not your reading, it's a general reading, so it might or might not resonate. Take whichever part resonates and leave the other part, okay? And don't try to forcibly fit yourself into the reading. Sometimes the entire reading is not for you. For personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And want to be a reader like me, you can purchase my courses. Links are given below in the description box for tarot reading course, self-love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass. We are done. Let's start. For Aries, let's see the mutual energy or the overall energy of the connection right now for you guys. कैसे भला कोई दिल को समझाए, मस्ताना. Let's see. We have Ace of Wands, Ace of Cups, and the Temperance. Okay, bottom of the deck is the Ace of Swords. Okay, Aries, most of you are going forward towards a new person, new energy, a new bond, a new connection. Okay, it's like something brand new starting in your life all over again. For some of you, it's like you guys just had a reconciliation, or you guys came back together or something. For most of you, it's a new person, totally new person or new energy that you're dealing with, and you're feeling very good about it. You're moving forward with this situation. You are taking baby steps. For most of you, it's a new person, new energy, new bond, new connection. 3 aces out of 4 is a totally new person, new kind of new situation, new energy kind of a deal. But for some of you, it can be somebody that you just had a reconciliation with, just had a start with, and now you guys are looking forward to have all the beautiful outcomes in the situation, right? So your hearts are fully open from both the sides. Your hearts are fully open to receive, fully open to move to the next level, and there's a lot of patience. There's a lot of this energy of, okay, let's take it step by steps. Let's take baby steps and let's see where it goes. This is really beautiful energy. So the mutual energy here is a lot of love, a lot of overwhelming emotions, and new energies. Butterflies in the stomach kind of energy from both the sides, actually. A little bit more from your side because it's your energy, your reading. The lesson for you guys for this week is patience is the key. Don't be too quick to try to jump into the next level, or don't be too fast to take things so fast or so quick that you are going to feel burnt out, or you are going to feel like, oh my god, what the hell just happened kind of a deal, right? So patience is the key. And bottom of the deck is Ace of Swords. Both of you are looking forward to have a practical approach towards the situation, but your heart is telling you otherwise. Wow. Okay, there's a sense of clarity, there's a sense of understanding, there's a sense of, okay, let's start from the start and let's see what happens. But don't be too fast or too quick. Otherwise it can convert into something complicated. Take your time and give time to the other person also here. Let's see your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now, Aries. We have the Page of Swords. Okay, this person is feeling like they should watch you, they should learn each and everything about you before proceeding further. That's actually a good thing. So this person is feeling, before jumping into any kind of serious kind of a deal or serious kind of a feeling kind of energy, let's see what happens, and let's understand about Aries properly. Okay, let's clarify the Page of Swords here. Page of Swords here, right? What's this? We have the Six of Swords, the Nine of Wands, the Devil. Okay, the reason for them to be in this energy of letting things be quite slow is they might be dealing with something else also, or someone else also. They're coming out of that situation. They're coming out of a very dark phase of their life, or they're coming out of a very toxic situation, toxic relationship, maybe a romantic one, maybe a family situation, or something that was very very dark in their life, and now they're coming out of that. That is why this person is feeling like, before jumping into any kind of new situation or new relationship, they should move on towards calmer water, like out of that situation completely. They feel like keeping their guards up until unless they are going to feel completely okay and safe with you. They feel like they should keep their guards up and get to know each and everything about you. Okay, and then they feel like moving forward towards you in this direction, because they have something or someone that is quite toxic and negative to handle, and they're trying to get out of that situation. That's why. Okay, they have a valid reason to do whatever they're doing. Let's see what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Aries? Wow, cards are jumping for you. Tower. You feel like having a breakthrough in the situation, or you feel like breaking through the illusions and seeing things for what they are, seeing things, the truth of the situation. Let's clarify the tower here. We have the Eight of Wands, the Five of Pentacles, and the Ten of Cups. Yeah, you feel like having back and forth communication, a lot of communication where both of you are connecting with each other on a deeper level, where both of you are talking about the losses, about the past experiences, about the feeling left out in the cold kind of a thing. So you feel like talking to this person as much as you can, communicating properly, letting them know your side of the story, letting them know, like letting you know their side of the story, and having some kind of vision of long term partnership, marriage, or commitment kind of a deal. So you feel like having that kind of breakthrough this time in this dynamics, right? Because you feel like, why to waste my effort and time and energy? That's actually also a good thing. You guys have your own reasons to do whatever you guys are doing. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? Aries. Eight of Pentacles. Their intention here is to work on this connection step by step, baby steps. This person doesn't want to rush. They don't want to be in any kind of hurry. They don't want to be in this energy of let's do it as quickly as possible. They want to take their time. They want to put in the effort and energy step by step in this direction. Let's clarify the Eight of Pentacles. We have the Four of Pentacles, the Seven of Swords, the Eight of Cups, right? Again, they have this reason of, before they are going to move forward towards you, whatever they're holding on to, whatever secret, whatever deceptive energies, whatever they have gone through in their life, maybe they're not hiding anything from you, but they have a lot to clean. They have a lot of mess to clean before they can come forward towards you. So they completely want to walk away from that particular situation that they are still stuck on, so that they can start moving towards you in a clear cut manner, right? So this person wants to put in the effort and energy step by step, very very slowly. They want to create something meaningful with you. Okay, so they have a history, they have a past, and they have to do a lot of cleanup, cleaning the mess kind of a process, before they can come towards you clearly and honestly. That's why they don't want to jump into this connection right away. Okay, let's see what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Aries. Page of Wands. Yeah, you want to keep things open, keep your energies open, casual, fun, flirting, friendship kind of a deal. So you want to keep your energies open in this direction. Okay, creating a very, safe and comfortable and happy-go-lucky kind of energy. So basically, right now you just want to provide a friendship kind of energy from your side to this particular person, so that we have the Page of Swords, the Hangman, Queen of Pentacles. Yes, you want to make sure that you are able to provide them a new slate, a clean energy. You want to give them the time so that they can come forward towards you and create some kind of stable kind of energies between you and them. So it's like you also want to take things slow, because you want to help this person, help this energy to come out of the mess that they're already in. You want to help them to see you and the world from a different perspective, so that they can understand that there are genuine people, good people also on this planet earth, who can genuinely help each other to grow. So you want to create a friendly, compassionate, comfortable kind of energy around them, so that they can come forward towards you, so that you can change their mindset, and you want to handle the situation with a lot of maturity. Okay, so giving a friendly kind of base, friendly kind of energy from your side, at the same time providing a lot of stability. Okay, and waiting for the situation to evolve in a very mature and grounded way. This is really good. The way you are trying handling it, or trying to handle it, really beautiful. Awesome. Let's see what could be the possible outcome for you guys till the 21st of December. Aries. Two of Swords. It's like things are going to be up in the air. Your mind is going to be creating stories and scenarios. I think it's mostly from this person's side, not yours. You seem to be quite clear and open. Let's clarify the Two of Swords here. Okay, my love, come back. Sure. Reshuffle. We have Three of Cups and Knight of Swords and the Empress. Okay, so either you or this person is going to be quite confused, or things are going to be up in the air when it comes to this coming together, coming back together. One of you is trying to run away from this situation, because they are not able to understand. They're not very sure about the growth and expansion that you guys want, whether it's ever going to happen between you guys or not. So things are going to be quite up in the air, because one of you is not going to trust the process, trust this situation, or trust this bond, because they will not be able to understand whether this situation is something that they want to move forward with, or they want to go ahead with something else or someone else, or basically like cleaning up the mess and then coming back. Hmm. This is the scenario. Okay, let's see the guidance for you guys for this week, for this situation. Aries. We have Four of Cups, Ten of Wands, and the Tower. Yes, you are coming out of a very burdensome and heavy kind of energy in your life, right? So don't be impatient, Aries. You might be feeling a lot for somebody. You might be like feeling this butterflies in the stomach, and like you are feeling like, okay, you can have a future with someone, but at the same time doing everything so quickly, or trying to make things go forward in a faster way, is not going to help you. It's going to create more chaos than happiness. So you guys have to understand that taking things really very, very slow and letting things unfold naturally and organically is going to help you a lot. Okay, instead of trying to have a breakthrough, let the breakthrough happen at its own pace. That's very, very important to understand. Okay, so basically, don't try to force something to happen. Whenever it is supposed to happen, it will happen. Keep your energies open, keep your heart open. You're doing that already, but don't be in that kind of rush or hurry or anxious state of mind. Okay? It is going to ruin everything that you have created this point at till this point of your life. Okay, so let me answer one of your questions related to your love and relationship area. This portion also might or might not resonate. Keep that in mind. Okay, and I'm going to give you 10 to 15 seconds to answer, to get the answer. If it is not sufficient, you can pause the video and watch whenever you want to. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so the answer to a question is yes. It's a clear cut yes. Okay, I don't have to explain it to you guys. This is a yes. Cool. So thank you so much for tuning in, Aries. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.